I got a question for you. Just how bad do your floor mats look? Honestly, when's the last time you did anything about it? I'm going to show you a process here.
It's fall time and there's leaves around and gunk and things that you're going to track into the vehicle. It's going to stain your floor mats, make them look real nasty. These haven't been cleaned in a while. So I've got a pretty good little process here. It's going to involve using Koch Chemie Polestar diluted 10-to-1 in a spray bottle, along with, I've got a bucket of warm water with a couple of capfuls of Koch Chemie and maybe 2 gallons in there, and a couple of different brushes and tools. I've also got a little power drill with a brush attachment that I'm going to be using for this. But I'm going to start by vacuuming this floor mat out. First thing you can do is just take this out of the vehicle and shake it out. Dust it off there. Get your vacuum out. Here we go, getting the inside underneath the mat. I want to scoot this seat as far back as it'll go. Now I'm going to change attachments. Just a little crevice tool. Once again, I got Koch Chemie Polestar diluted about 10-to-1 in the spray bottle. So after vacuuming this off, I'm going to spray it down liberally, soak it thoroughly. You want to really focus on the spots that have stains. So take that to the concentrated stream, spray those areas. So now I've soaked it down, let it penetrate for a minute or so. I'm going to go with this drill brush, start to agitate it. Now that I've agitated this with the brush, I'm going to take this little microfiber towel and soak it in warm water with Koch Chemie. I'm going to go over the surface here. Now that I've done all that, I'm going to take a little hose and spray this off. So the last step is you're going to hang this out to dry. It's going to take a little time, so leave that there, let that dry. I've got yet another use for this drill brush attachment, and this is the soft, I'm going to leave a link to everything, but this is the soft bristle. I'm going to take this and go against this little dead pedal, which gets real funky, and I'm going to put this towel down under here, because what I'm going to do is spray this with my 10-to-1 diluted Polestar and take this brush again, and you'll see how this works. Let's see. There we go. Not putting a lot of pressure, and I'm not really going with the heavy trigger here. You can also take this little boar's hair brush, get in there too. You even want to get over here on this carpet too, because it gets funky. I'll take this utility towel, go back over this. Looks like it needs a little bit more. Go here. gonna take this damp towel that's in this bucket, soaked in the solution, go over it again, go back here. It's the side there. Because over the years you just get a lot of dirt built up in there. Now I'm going to take this dry towel, go in here and pick that up a little bit. So I think I got it looking a lot better. I'm going to go over the petals one more time. Put this towel down, spray the petal there. Alrighty. I don't think it's that dirty, but get it with a boar's hair brush. And I'm gonna take the wet towel and get it over here. Let's see. Kind of wring it out. Kind of go over the area down here. Doesn't hurt. You know, unfortunately, this light colored carpet, it's just hard to get everything out. Probably could use an extractor on it, but you know, I cover most of this with the floor mat, so I don't really worry. But that would be the next step. If I really wanted to get this super clean, I would take an extractor to it. So that might be a video I might do. I might get the extractor out and see if I can get some of this, you know, stain out of here a little better. I think this looks probably 100 times better than it did. You know, if you don't have a cordless drill and a brush attachment, you can go with, you know, the brushes like this and these microfiber towels. It'll just take a little bit more scrubbing effort, but you can still get the same results. So another little trick, I've got this Viking brush, and you can brush the fibers in a direction to where either you see like light colored carpet or dark colored carpet. So depending on what you like, you go in here and do this. This is dark. You can even put a little design in it. I'll put some lines in there. You can do that too. I kind of like it where it's just all one color. I'll probably do it like this. See, I think that looks good. Real light. I think that looks awesome. So there you go.